In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make African black soap shampoo. And this shampoo is really good for stimulating your scalp and promoting hair growth. If you're trying to grow your hair out, it's really moisturizing, it's natural, it's safe, and it smells really good. So what you'll need is your African black soap. I got this bar from my local beauty supply store. This is a 5-ounce bar. If you don't have black soap near you, I'll try to find some online and link it down in my description box. You're gonna need some oils, and I'm using some vitamin E oil, and I'm also going to be using some avocado oil. Of course, you can use any oil that you have on hand or your favorite oils like coconut oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, almond oil, whatever oils that you like to put on your hair. And I'm going to be using some essential oils. This is a tea tree oil here. This is good for stimulating your scalp, and it also smells really good. I'll also be using some peppermint oil. I don't know if you can see that there. And once again, you can use any essential oils that you like, whether that be, what's that oil? Lavender oil or eucalyptus oil, whatever oil is your favorite. And one last thing is some vegetable glycerin. This right here helps with including the moisture in your hair. It also helps to combine the oils and waters together in this mixture. And for mixing this up, I'm gonna have this mason jar here. For storage, I'm gonna be using this 6-ounce container here that I got from my local beauty supply store. And of course, you'll need a funnel to get all of that into this container. So don't forget to use your conditioner after you're done shampooing your hair. And this is a really simple recipe. So let's get started. I'm starting with a 5-ounce bar of black soap. I'm only going to be using half of this bar, so I'm using 2.5 ounces of this soap. And here I am slicing it into smaller pieces because the smaller your pieces are, the quicker this soap will dissolve in the hot water. So just keep chopping until you have very, very small pieces. You could use a cheese grater to grate up this soap, but honestly for me, I am so afraid of cheese graters. I always feel like I'm going to grate up my fingertips. So I never use a cheese grater. I just do it the old-fashioned way and just chop up the soap with a knife. Of course, this method takes a teeny bit longer, but it is worth it, or it's worth it for me for my peace of mind because I like my fingertips. So I'm just chopping it into smaller and smaller pieces, trying to get it as small as possible. Here is in my mason jar. You can see here it's about a quarter full. And I'm going to add my hot water. I'm just adding my hot water up into the top of the soap. I don't really want to go over that so that my shampoo isn't too liquidy. You could add less water so that you can have a thicker soap, but I usually go up to the top of my my crumbles. So here I'm adding in my oils. That is my avocado oil. It is a tablespoon of that. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of vitamin E oil. And next I'll be adding my vegetable glycerin. And this is good for helping your oils and waters in this mixture to combine well. And also it helps with the moisture in your hair as well. So next I'll be adding my essential oils. This is going to be 10 drops of my tea tree oil. And I'll also be adding 10 drops of my peppermint oil. And I'm just going to use my plastic knife to combine all of this up together. Of course, you can use whatever tool you have to combine it, a spoon, whatever you have, just something to mix this up. And so I'm just gonna put my top back on and let this sit for about an hour. And here you go, here it is after an hour. It's about 95% dissolved, but that's okay. We're gonna go ahead and put it in our container. And once it's in the container, it is going to continue to dissolve over time, but you can use it right now if you're ready to wash your hair. But I'm just going to go ahead and put that in there. And it smells so good, y'all. It smells so great. So I'm going to go ahead and put my top on, and it is ready to use. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.